Hey Dad, can I go to Subway's sandwiches?
Sure. But do not get fat or you will be in timeout.
Okay.
You know, this is the 20th time at even food that doesn't belong to you.
Welcome to Subway Sandwiches. How may I help you?
I would like 100 sandwiches, 50 fries, and 10 drinks of Coke.
Okay. The sandwiches is ready in 5 minutes. Good luck.
Let's go home now because you are so in time out for life.
No. Please, Blackie, I'm sorry.
Here is your food, sir. Enjoy your happy Subway.
That was very good. Oh no, I'm fat. My dad is going to kill me when they see me like this.
Randolph, how dare you get fat at Subway? That's it. You are in timeout for 100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 years. Go to your room now.
Nice try, Randolph. You just got me fired at Subway Sandwiches. I hope it was worth it.